Good evening to everyone. You are all welcome to this digital training. I am by name Emmanuel. I'm a digital marketer and also into digital trainings. I'm also an expert in graphic design and many more. So for this training, we'll be looking about three perspectives, which are what video animation, graphics design, and um, digital marketing. I can easily assure you that with this training, you are well able to become an expert in this three field. Only if you are well able to follow up and you ask your questions, and I can assure you all questions will be attended to in the group as far it is asked on the group, it will be attended to. So for today, we'll be looking at the introduction to the fundamental of video animation. Not to waste our time, all these videos that you just see either for animation, for example, now you go on Facebook, you can easily see different animation. Let me tell you, you also can do that on your own. It's something so easy that you can do on your own. Let me tell you, tonight you are well able to do it. Say it yourself, I am well able. It's something very small that you can easily do within just few minutes. We'll see that during this training for today. So now, for this video animation, I'll be introducing you to two apps, which is what renderforest and Flotagon. These two apps are one of the best apps that you can easily use to create your video animation. So for renderforest, as I said today, we will only be doing the fundamentals just for you to know about some things about it. That is what we'll be doing. So for you to create your video animation using renderforest, just go to your Chrome browser. So when you get your Chrome browser, just type in render forest. So when you click on the render forest, it will be showing something like this. What you can easily see on the screen here, you'll be seeing it. So when you click on render forest and you search for it, after loading, you'll be seeing something like this. You can easily see some created videos which can be used. These are videos that have been created already. But as for us, I won't advise you to start using that, although you can make use of it. But let's create our own. And as for today, you will know how each of them works. You can also see some again here. And this render forest is as good that you can use it for any video animation, whether whiteboard animation, whether for a presentation, whether for animation video for your logo and many more. So we'll be clicking on today you'll be seeing some 3D logos, 3D video animation. So we click on create now. So from here, you just follow it step by step, and I can assure you, you gain the very best from it. So when you click on create now, you can see it here now. Start from scratch, type your story. For you that you are not very good at that, you can easily use type your story, but I would advise you is not as good as that. Just come to start from scratch. So when you click on that, it will be directing you here. So now, what do we actually want to do about the video? What is our aim for creating the video? These are one of the main things we ought to know before starting creating our video. Is it I want to use it to present a business, or want to use it to advertise about a particular business, or want to use for a presentation, or want to use to just enlighten people about a particular educational aspect or many more? You can use render forest for it. So now you can see some of the what's it called? Some of these tools are here, images that you can make use of. And as far you can go through each of them, you see you have different and different ones are here. So you can see different ones that we have. We have a lot. So I just want us to see. Once you can make use of it to create your video on different ones for either for a specialist business, you can see a lot, as in a lot and a lot a year. So there are as much as possible that you can make use of there. So we can so there are enough and enough that you can make use to create your video animation of different types. So but for today I want us to just create a short one. Not really that we want to really create a much video like that. Tomorrow we'll be creating a standard one, and next tomorrow I will still be looking on this same particular topic, which is video animation. So let's just make use of this. So you type in your text. So when you type in your text, so type in your text. So you click on what? Generate project. Then let's see, let's quickly generate our project for a very short video animation, just for you to see what we're actually doing, how we can easily create. So let's see, and just in the twinkling of an eye, you can see that you can easily create something very good. So this is just it. We generated some themes like that. This is it. You can see, you can see. Just this, for example. Now wants to add what? Music. Adding music. This once you click on music, you see some music, for example. That's just an example of the music on the app. This is another one. You can just play it first to know the type of music you want to use for it. You can see that. So it determines the one you want to use for your video animation. That's just it. You have different ones there. So now, for example, wants to use this. So you just click on the plus sign. This is it. Once you click on the plus sign, you see that it will come here. And if you feel the music wants to use already on your phone, just come to upload and you upload your music from directly from your phone. Now with choosing this, let's play first. You can see it. So you click on what? Preview. When you click on preview, just come here, click here, export. That is just a simple way for you to just create your video animation. And at the end, you can easily download it. From here now, it will change it to a video for you. You can see your video is in a queue. So gradually, it will start. What's it called? Can you see it? Exporting 0%, 1%, 2% until 100%. Then you can easily make it. From there, you download it. When you download it, if you know you are using a phone, put your browser in desktop mode. Then you long press on the video after exporting it. Then you click on download to download it to your phone memory. And if you know you are using a system, just right click on the video. Once you right click on the video, then you download it to your system. And it's as simple as that. Wish you all the best. see you tomorrow for the next class. Once again, you are all welcome. So tomorrow is another time for us together. We'll be having um, whiteboard animation. We will all do it together and we gain the very best from it. Thanks and God bless you all.